Hello and welcome back to Invest with Sanjeev KMR BGP. I am Sanjeev Kumar, your stock market coach. In today's video, I am going to discuss about 14 companies and I am going to give you the update about 14 companies. So just I am sharing the TradingView website. At first, I will I will update you about the market. As you can see, the Nifty 50 chart, it is still in uh, downtrend, you can say, not consolidation phase. There is a big correction. So there is approximately 9%. Uh, it has decreased 9% from all-time high. And when you see mid cap, CNX mid cap is showing 11% from all-time high, and CNX is small cap. CNX is small cap. In CNX, in a small cap, you can see there is 13% down. But from this month candle, today is 31st Jan and time is 1:40 p.m. And you can see in this candle, wick is long. It means there is buying pressure from this place. Okay. So there is chance to market can bounce back from this point and it should not go down, but nothing is guaranteed in stock market. We can only expect that market should be better. So in trend, before moving further, this is disclaimer that I am not a SEBI registered advisor and this video I am creating for the educational purpose only. In trend, current price is 5,781 rupees. If it goes down from 4,740, then we can think to sell. At present, we should hold, and if you add the tranche, if price goes above from 7,510 rupees, then you can add tranche or you can make new entry. In tips music, current price is 645 rupees. If it goes below than 532 rupees, then we can think to exit. At present, we should hold. And if you want to add the tranche, if price goes above from 886, then we can add tranche. Okay. Because we do not buy in deep. We buy on uptrend. So CDSL, in CDSL at present price is 1,307 rupees. If share price goes below to 1,138, then we can exit. But it should be closing price, monthly closing price. It doesn't mean that if price goes down in the middle of the month of Feb or starting of the month of Feb, then we should not exit. Okay. And if price goes above from 1,760 rupees, then we can add our tranche or we can make new entry. Safari industry at present share price is 2,388 rupees. If share price goes below to 2,000 rupees, then we exit. And if price goes above to 2,600, then we make new entry or add the tranche. Polymedicure current price is 2,307 rupees. And if price goes below to 1,900, then we make exit when we sell it. and if it goes above to 2,900, then we add our tranche. Narayana Urdyalia, it is in consolidation phase. When market correct, and this, if this company will be in a still in a consolidation phase, then we can exit. At present we should wait. Current price is 1,325 rupees. If share price goes below to 1150, then we exit. And when share price goes above to current price, actually, this is a strong resistance. You can see here again and again share price going down from this place. So if so this is the place where you can see a big selling pressure. If share price goes above to this range, then you can make new entry or you can add tranche. BSC Limited is in uptrend. If you want to add the tranche, you can add, and if you want to new entry, you can. You should not book the profit. Newgen, Newgen Software, a big fall in this month, but still we should not exit. If it goes below to 920, then we can exit. And if you want to add the tranche, this is not the time to add the tranche. If share price goes above to 1700, then we can add the tranche or we can make new entry. BASF Limited, in this company there is big fall, but still it is on EMA 21 point, but we can wait. We should wait. We should not exit from this point. If it goes below from this point next month, then we can exit. And if you want to make new entry or add the tranche, this is not the time to add the tranche here. Persistent System, current share price is 5,975 rupees. If you want to add the tranche, you should wait when share price goes above to 6,470 rupees, then you can add the tranche or new entry. Newland Lab, share price is 14,000. If share price goes above to 16,500, then you can make new entry or you can add the tranche. KP Energy Limited, share price is near to EMA 21. If it goes below to 360 or 350 rupees, then you can sell. But at present, you should wait. And if you want to add the tranche, if share price goes above to 622 rupees, then you can add the tranche or make new entry. Beta Drugs, share price is 18,063 to 63. If share price goes below to 1,430 rupees, then you can exit. And if you want to add the tranche, you should wait. At when share price goes above to 2,220 rupees, then you can add the tranche or make new entry. BLS International, actually, I think before 2 or 3 days, I have just created a video on BLS International. So if you have not bought as yet, wait. If share price goes above to 482 rupees, then you should make new entry. So this was the update from my side, and if you found this video useful, please press the like button. And if you have any question, you can ask the question from comment box and share this video to all your friends. Thank you so much for watching the video.